How to change theme language in Shopify, translate Shopify theme into a different language. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your theme language in Shopify. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and use applications, okay? You're going to use integration. So for this, we're going to go into Shopify App Store. Now once you go into your Shopify App Store, from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to write language translator, okay? You're going to write that and it's going to give you different translators, okay? So you're going to choose this one, Sky AI Language Translate. So you can translate your whole store into a different language through AI, okay? And it's that easy and it's that simple, okay? So you're simply going to want to know how to use this thing for yourself. And once, you get the idea of using it, you're pretty much good to go. You're pretty much sleek up. So click on install app. Now, once you click on install app, from there, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to set it up. Make sure to go with its plan and all, the necessary things. It does give you a free plan as well, so just get started with that one if you want to. Now, once you go ahead with this, from there, what's going to be happening is it's going to say, welcome to Transy. So you're going to first of all go to app embeds and, turn your Transy or transcriptor on. And once you open your transcriptor on, from there, what you are going to want to do is, get the basic idea of how you're going to use Transly for yourself. So I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to go ahead and click on next. I have done this. And it's going to give you, these embeddings. And once you add in all these things, you can simply use Transy as your theme changer for your whole store. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.